today we're going to be taking a look at the feature-packed infamous S4 ROM for your Galaxy S4. The infamous S4 ROM supports 3 different versions of the Galaxy S4. Right now it is supported for the AT&T model, the T-Mobile model, and the Canadian model. So if you are flashing this on AT&T, you do need to flash a low-keyed kernel, which I'll have a link down below for one, right after you flash the ROM, okay? So that's all you have to do if you're on AT&T. And let's get into this great ROM. So when you install this ROM, you will get a blue transparent theme that you'll notice when you're going through your phone. So at the top, you can tell on the status bar that it is all themed blue. The clock is blue, and so are the battery and the other stuff up there. If we put down a notification shade, you can tell that it is fully transparent. So that might be a love or hate thing. I love it right now. I enjoy it. It doesn't really bother me that much. Of course, the toggles are also themed blue, and we can open up all our toggles. At the top, you can tell that we have another option, and that is for multitasking. You click on that and it'll take you straight to your multitasking. So if we pop up into settings, we can look around here and go to my device. We do get a separate column for multi-window manager, which I actually have reviewed before. And basically what this app does, you do need root, but of course this ROM has it installed. You will able to use all your apps in multi-window. So actually I didn't allow a super user, but when you first install it, you will need to go and enable multi-window, and you will have all your apps. So that's a big bonus right there. This ROM is deodexed and does have BusyBox installed. If you are on T-Mobile, you will get Wi-Fi calling. I am not on T-Mobile, and it does say Wi-Fi calling right there. As you can see, you have that option. So that's really cool that they leave that in for T-Mobile users. This is carrier IQ free, meaning that the carriers can't spy on your phone anymore. You can search it up, carrier IQ. So this ROM is also supported by 3-minute settings. You just have to search it up in the Play Store. It costs $2 and you could buy it. I highly suggest it. It's kind of your way of donating to the developer. So if we open it up, here we have date and time customization. You get the usual stuff you could expect, the options to add AM, PM, date, style, and day and date, uppercase, and just a bunch of clock and date stuff right there. You can also choose apps that you want or don't want showing up on your status bar. We can also go to lock screen button, and you get some customization options there too. Here we get some options to hide battery, use any color battery, and you could choose the battery value. You could choose between the 4G logo. It does work, as I have tried it before. Then we do get notification panel settings, where we could go on and change carrier text, themes, and a bunch of stuff. You get some other lock screen options here for widgets on secure lock screen, so you could have widgets and camera working even though your lock screen is locked. We get some SView options here to set the SView timeout. And you get some other options here too. So as I said, it's packed with features, and that's just one of the feature apps. Go into an app that will be here, Exposed Installer, and you're going to want to click Install Update and grant it, and it will do that. Now you want to go to Modules, and you can enable different stuff that they have put on the app for you here. So we could check these 3 right here, and we're going to go back to Framework, and what you're going to want to do is you're just going to want to click Reboot, and I'll be back when it's done rebooting. Okay, so my phone did just reboot, so we're going to pop up into here, and for example, actually let's first go to App Settings. So as I said, through this app you could change different DPIs. So if we could go into, for example, what can we use? If you were to go into your email or Gmail, let's use Gmail for now, and you click on, Then you could go through here and change the DPI to tablet UI. Just play around with it, you'll get used to it. And whatever you like, you just have to click the save button at the top. So all the different apps are supported with that. So as I said, guys, there are a lot of different settings to play around with, and you'll really have to go through them and see which ones you like the best. Not only do you get No Touch Exposed, you also do get Xtheme Engine. So if we open that up and grant permission, it says Xtheme Engine themes use a format similar to CM10 themes. So you could go through that and download some themes from the Play Store and see what you like. And of course you apply the theme and then you will reboot your device. So when it comes to speed and stability of this ROM, it is by far the most stable ROM that I have used, and you get a great amount of speed. So as you can see, we are flying through all these screens, goes super fast, and it takes away all that lag that you got on the S4 when you first got it. So one problem that I have noticed on all the ROMs is if we go into actually lock screen and we go to unlock effect and change it to ripple, that it lags when you unlock the phone. So I don't know if this is only me, but ripple and it lags. On this ROM, I haven't had that problem. That's the first ROM. So this is a lag-free ROM. Everything is working fine. We could pop up into camera and it will open totally fine and take good pictures. And as I said, it's a great ROM, and it will definitely give you the customization and stability and speed that you need for your S4. So guys, that was the infamous S4 ROM. Please go check out the ROM. I'll have the link down below. Try it out. Leave comments down below, or if you need any help. Also guys, please make sure to subscribe. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Follow me on Twitter at PhoneTechKid, and like me on Facebook, PhoneTechKid. And yeah guys, thanks for watching.